Hello, today we would like to show how you can change the Spotify language on your Android smartphone. So actually the thing that you need to do is to change the entire language of the entire system of your device, and this is pretty much the only way to change the Spotify language on an Android. So let's go ahead and alter the language settings of our system. Change it. Already, that's not the thing that we are looking for. Add the languages, let's set it to, for example, Spanish. Once we get back, everything, is being translated to Spanish, or should I say the system has been successfully transferred to Spanish language. And now, once we will launch the Spotify application. Alrighty, so as you can see, our Spotify has also successfully taken on the system language that we have just set to be Spanish. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.